There we go. Yep. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Leah Wamboi, and in case the first time you're seeing this natural beautiful face, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to click the post notification bell so that every time I post, you'll be the first one to be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, as you've seen, I have packed. I am ready to travel regional, Cindy. Because it's not yet international, it's in Africa though. So yes, guys, I am ready to travel, to have a very nice road trip. Yes, you have a road trip to Rwanda. Yes, you've heard me right. Oh my goodness, on a Saturday I went for Mount Longonot Summit. It was amazing, a little bit challenging, but the most funny thing, I woke up jana vizuri, I packed and I did all my things, so I'm feeling much better. It was a much needed challenge, and that's something that has been on my bucket list. That is hiking, and then here we have a road trip. I think it's a 25 hours road trip. I'm supposed to leave at around 12 noon, then get there tomorrow or the following day at 12, if I'm not wrong. So yes guys, stick around, watch this video till the end. I am sure you are going to enjoy watching this video. Yes guys, I'm putting on this hoodie, sweatpants, and those shoes because I need to be as comfortable as I can be. Yeah. So yeah, I'm supposed to leave and go to town, and there are some things that I'm supposed to get. I'm supposed to get my passport cover, and again I'm supposed to also get a neck pillow, yes, so that I can be comfortable. So that those are some things that I'm supposed to get. I don't think I'm supposed to get anything else, but in case I have to, I will. Yes guys, come along with me, Kigali, Rwanda by road. Yes, let's see how it is. Yeah. We boarded the bus at around 11, and by 12 we left Nairobi. It took us around 6 hours to get to the border, that is Kenya-Uganda border. That is in Busia. Yeah, because we arrived there at around 7 p.m. Once we got there, we had to go to the immigration. You need to have your yellow fever with you and your passport. And they give you like 2 stamps. One, you're leaving Kenya and entering Uganda. So yes, so far the journey was amazing. The neck pillow really helped me, by the way. And we traveled with Trinity buses, or rather Trinity bus, and it was so comfortable. They gave us some water, they have some food rest, and also you can incline the seats, and they have curtains, air conditioner. What else? They also have a place where you can like put your water or the drinks that you're taking, and they are actually affordable. It went for 6,500 per person, so Yeah, it was worth it. And they made stops on the way. Here we are at the Busia, that is Kenya-Uganda border. Yes. So guys, yeah, we passed the border and then we stopped at, I think, Kampala. This is where I got this banana. This banana went for 1,000 bob Ugandan money. That's around, the exchange rate was like 24 bob. So if you divide like 1,000 by 24, that means it was around how much? Yes, do the math and let me know. So this is Uganda for you. It's a green country. It's beautiful. Yeah, we passed via Uganda. Like, we had to go through the whole of Uganda for us to get to Rwanda. And Uganda, they have a lot of bananas. Oh my goodness, as you can see on the kiosks, it's just bananas. They have banana plantation. Mostly there, what they have is banana plantation. Yeah, like the way here we have tea, coffee, they have banana plantation, big lands full of bananas, or rather banana trees, as you can see from this video. Look at that. So to mention on the price of the banana that I got, I think mostly they take advantage. That is because you are a foreigner, plus when you ask them do they speak English or Swahili, so they just say they speak in Uganda. They just tell you any amount that they feel like they should tell you. I think so. So what I can advise is, if you're going for this kind of a long trip, just make sure you pack yourself enough snacks and even food, like for lunch and dinner. That is because if you don't, I'm telling you, food at the stations where they stop is very expensive. They just take advantage of people, of course. That goes without saying. But if you are on a tight budget, just make sure you carry with you enough snacks for the 24 hours. Finally, we go to now Uganda, Rwanda border. This place is beautiful, as you can see. Just look at that. Isn't this beautiful? So for this place, since we are visiting Rwanda and we are going to stay there for like a week, you get to be asked some questions like, where will you be staying? Who is your host? What do you do for a living? Why are you here? All those questions. That's us. We are in a line to go and get our bags checked, like all our bags, including the ones that were in the bus, like the luggage. They check them one by one. So we finished up checking in. We went to a place where we can get food. It was just at the border where we got this food for 3,500 amafaranga. Yes, using Rwandan money, and that is about 350 Kenyan shillings. Almost there. 30 minutes. You're everything I need and more. Is it an all over your face? Baby, I can feel your love. Hello. Karani, look at the camera. I swear I never fall again. I'm just watching that video, the one that we were singing. We had a lot of fun. So we finally got to Kigali. That is the capital city of Rwanda. I'm telling you guys, Rwanda is a hilly country. Like, it's a hilly country, as you can see. So guys, this was our host for like a week. He was so nice. He came for us from the stage where we were dropped by the bus so that he can take us to the Airbnb where it was. Of course, it was at a fee. Yes, and as you can see, we are heading to the place where the Airbnb is. He was a nice person. We actually ended up extending our stay for 2 extra nights, and he was okay with that. He was a nice host. I'll 100% recommend, but the place was a little bit far from any other place that we were supposed to go. I guess it's because we booked our Airbnb late and the other Airbnbs were a little bit occupied. We thought it was closer, but it wasn't like that close. It was a bit far from everything else that we wanted to do, or rather every other place that we wanted to go. Yes, but it was a very beautiful place. As you'll see now in my next video, you'll see the house that we stayed in. It was a very beautiful house. Yes, and we got to the Airbnb. They carried our bags to the house. That was so amazing and so nice of them. Of course, you were there. I'm also sad. But we can go. I mean, why not? Such to freshen up first. No, we freshen up first and then we go. Yeah. See, tupeleke.